Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our gorgeous channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a rose makeup look. I haven't been able to try a rose makeup look, so I hope you like this video, and if you wanted to learn on how to achieve this look, please continue watching and enjoy. I look at my past makeup videos and I realized that I haven't had any videos for a rose makeup look, so I figured out I'll try it. Then for my primer, I am going to be using this e.l.f. Putty Primer. I like this primer because it's just helped minimize my pores. You know, as I get old, my pores is like really obvious. I'm gonna do a different techniques right now. So I'm gonna do a liquid foundation before I do my eyeshadow. This liquid foundation is super pretty. I'm gonna do full coverage, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more. For my concealer, I am going to be using this Stila concealer. To set my concealer, I will use a powder foundation. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Loose Setting Powder in shade 521B. I will use this one to bake my face and to give like a smooth transition. Then for my eyebrow, I am going to be using this 3-in-1 Brow Pencil. The shade for this one is Espresso by NYX Professional Makeup. What I normally do is I'm going to put a mark on my eyebrow and then fill it in to determine how thick and how thin my eyebrow is. Depends on my mood. Then for my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Miss Rose eyeshadow or makeup palette. I got this one from TikTok, and this one has a bunch of eyeshadow color. I'm just going to show it to all of you guys. Yes! It is so pretty.
Wow!
Now we're going to use this shade at the bottom. I'm gonna do a light brown color for my transition. Just apply it all over my eyelid. And using the same brush, I'm gonna do this magenta shade. Just gonna go ahead and apply it right on the outer corner, actually on the half part corner of my eyes. It's also the same color as my dress. By the way, this eyeshadow, you guys, I got this one from TikTok. So if you wanna buy this eyeshadow, so visit my TikTok page. Not beautiful, but not ugly. The same color, I am going to apply it under my waterline. Just to give like a shimmer color, I am going to use this shimmery magenta color just to intensify the outer corner of my eyes. And then for my black eyeliner, I am going to be using this Estee Lauder black eyeliner in shade Onyx, and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. I'm gonna use my Lorella liquid eyeliner. I got this one from Windsor. This is a black. Ooh.
Oh no!
Girl. Then for my bronzer, bronzer, I am going to be using the Shea Glam bronzer. I'm going to be using the Shea Glam blush on. The shade for this one is Night Drive. I like how this blush will not mess up my liquid foundation. And then I'm going to be using this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush. The shade for this one is Truth. And then for my highlighter, I'm using this Revolution Highlighter Reloaded. I honestly forgot to put the nose line, which is one of the most important part of my makeup. Going back to my highlighter, I am going to put it on the tip of my nose. Then I am going to use this Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. Time to add my falsies. To really hold my falsies in place, I am using this LA Colors 2-in-1 Lash Glue. I'm just gonna put it on top. I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and then also a Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. The shade for this one is Pink Electro, and the Huda Beauty, the shade for this one is Too Small Muse. Then to put the shine in my lips, I am going to be using this Sephora Extreme Lip Plumper. The shade for this one is Inferno. So I'm going to fix my hair, and then basically that's all, and then we're all done. I'll be right back. So here's the final look, beautiful people. What do we think? Wow! I hope you like this look, and it's just super easy, and you can achieve this look in just a few minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And it's another makeup edition has being served to all of you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let's spread love and kindness. Thank you all for watching, beautiful people. I will see you all in my next video. Let us all show our true beauty inside and out. Mwah!